to my channel. All right, guys, today's video is different. Some people are going to like it. Some people are going to be thankful for it. And others of you are going to say, yeah. Anyways, I received an Ipsy bag for free. I have the products out of the bag. This is what the bag looks like. It's cute. I have way too many products to use a bag this small. So where will this bag go? Probably to my daughter. Anyway, we're gonna break this bag down because I like you guys to get the most bang for your buck. And I know a lot of you are into subscription boxes. I know a lot of you ask me if this is a good idea or it's not a good idea. So today we're going to be talking about that. So without further ado, sorry, I was grabbing the products I was sent. Let's jump into this. So I have Ipsy website pulled up on my phone. This was the June box, so I do have things pulled up on my phone regarding the June box. I got excited when it came in the mail. I am a sucker for packaging. It comes in this cute little envelope right here, which in my opinion, like, got me excited. Anyway, shimmery, it's pink, it's great. But then I opened it, and when I opened it, I broke a nail, which is not Ipsy's fault, but that automatically just kind of made me in like a mood. So then I open it, I see this cute little bag, and I'm like, cute, my daughter will love it. Then I open that. I got two of these, and I couldn't find if this were a mistake that I got two or not. In the things that could be in this box, these are not even there. And it literally has like 5 different sections of what could be in the box, and this is not them. So I don't know if they just kind of tossed some things in here because I did get the box for free or what, but these masks are not, I'm still scrolling, are not listed. I don't see them at all. I guess I should start out and say that they did have me take a quiz to see what kind of products I was into or what products I was interested in trying out or that I would want to try out. Charcoal clay bubble masks, refreshing pore care was not one of the things that I said I was interested in. I am a little disappointed because I did look up the price point of these things, and this is $2. These are $2.50 each, so that makes this a total of $5. Ipsy is $10 a month, but I don't like the fact that this is not a high-end product. I literally can purchase these at Walmart. I saw it online, and that's just not impressive to me. I can easily at any time go to Walmart and purchase these and get them on my own. So I wasn't really big on getting these. Next product is this. It's a blush brush. The brand is Firma, and on their website, this brush, their website is firmabeauty.com. This is a blush brush, and it does retail on their website for $15.99, which is great. I mean, brushes are always good in any case, but again, I wasn't super thrilled about this. Someone just starting out a makeup collection and wanting to build up their collection, this is awesome, because brushes are expensive. So honestly, out of everything I got sent, this was probably my favorite thing. So this was in packaging, and then I opened it, and I was very disappointed. This is from Pacifica is the brand, and it says Tomboy Vibe. It is a natural mineral eyeshadow, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So I went and looked for this on the Pacifica website. Let me pull that up as well. All right, so this is not, this little thing is not actually on the Pacifica website. I'm not gonna lie, I am very disappointed with how this packaging looks. It looks very cheap. It looks very dollar store-ish, which that's fine if that's what you're going for. But if I am subscribing to you for $10 a month, I wanna try things that don't look like they are from the dollar store. So I found out after a lot of research, what they have done is they took this and it is a cut down version of a bigger palette that Pacifica has called Beachy Punk Mineral Eyeshadows. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That palette with the big shades retails for $18. It does come with the shades Tomboy, 1970, Pretty Vacant, Schooled, and Rebel, which are in that palette. These are the shades bigger. But, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, just looking at this, the packaging of it, how cheap it looks like something that I used in middle school, completely discouraged me from even wanting to try it out. So, I mean, I feel like they could do better. So what I'm guessing is $18, I can get 10 full-size shades that this is only retailing for $2 or $3. So again, not impressed with this at all. Next, I was impressed with, there is an Ofra blush in here. It is one of the metal ones that sticks to a Z palette. It is in the shade Blush Melon. I am a fan of Ofra products, so that's great. Ofra's loose blushes like this do retail for $18. So, I mean, again, I guess you could just pay the $18 and not $10 a month for 12 months, and you would save money if you wanted to buy a blush. It's a Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. So I did find this on Sephora. It is $58 for 1.7 ounces. This is 0.25 ounces. Getting about less than a quarter of the bottle. And then it says, after cleansing your face, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. I am assuming that this is not going to last morning and night for very long. And I get it, it's beauty samples or whatever, but I just feel like it's not giving me like a bang for my buck. So overall, will I ever pay for Ipsy? Absolutely not. I feel like there are other monthly subscription boxes that may be more expensive but may actually give me full versions of palettes rather than something that I'm gonna be able to test out for a week and then not be able to get again. So I will not be continuing any sort of Ipsy subscription. I will not pay for it. I do not recommend it or think that it is worth the $10 in any way, shape, or form. I also forgot to mention that it does come with a little card. Since June was Pride Month, it is talking about Pride Month. It does have a little description on the back that talks about Pride Month and the importance of it and how we should all just come together and support that. And I agree with that. So that's it for my thoughts on Ipsy. I am sorry, Ipsy. I just feel like you guys could do a little bit to improve. That is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love this video or you love any of my other videos, please make sure and subscribe. I know this video was a little bit different than what I typically do, but I'm trying to branch out, do a little bit of this, do a little bit of that, but all in the lifestyle beauty realm. So enjoy. All right, guys, I love you. I hope that everyone is enjoying their summer. Please be nice, do something kind for someone else. Love yourself and stay beautiful, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Channel, it's my channel, it's my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. God, that's on. I could have been mad. And it won't turn off.